Hey, it's your favorite roofer, Todd, Sunbelt Roofs, Lakeview area of Metairie. Beautiful sunny day. Looking at this modern build. It's going to be a renovation. Flat roof, leaking. They're going to be doing an addition, some standing seam metal. So they asked us to come in, check it all out, tell them what they needed to do to get a suitable roof on a high value house for a high profile client. So we're going to look at doing a fortified roof for them, using some low slope flat roofing material and some standing seam metal. Get this house up to par. Just wanted to show you some of the things we're looking at that we get involved in. Again, your favorite roofer, Todd, Sunbelt Roofs, New Orleans.